All right, then let's do some more out of sample forecasting. Right, currently we are forecasting the most recent observation. Right, so then this one, realize why this is the last observation. Right, and then we should not compare the models with this particular one observation. Right, that's why we have the longer out of sample periods. Right, so then suppose we forecast recent 12 months, right? So then let's do the for loop again. Okay, here. Okay, for IND, I would say out of sample forecasting 1 to 12. It doesn't have to be 12 though. And then here, where this must be here. It must be, yeah. And then right, yes. Okay, here. And then of course we will compute log ppd, right? We will compute log ppd and we will save it, log ppl ind underbar out of sample forecasting equals log ppd. Okay, then we don't have the storage for this. Yeah, let's make it okay. Here it should be zeros 12,1, right? Okay, then here this is log ppl is what? Log ppl must be sum of here log ppl, right? Okay, and then we don't need these at this point. Yeah. Alright. So then, okay, just Control R and smart indent. Okay, so then, yeah, looks better. And then now let's define the data. Actually, we will not change the priors, right? So then I need to take out these out of this for loop. Okay, here, and select all again and smart indent. Okay, so then we specify priors and then the MCMC size as with the keep sampling size. Okay, all right. So then this now IND OSF. Now this endomine it begins with 1, right? And then it goes to 12, right? So this is 1. And what about this? Minus IND OSF plus 1, right? What about this? This one, right? What about this? This minus and plus 1, right? And I think there's nothing else to change. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then let me run it. It's still running, right? You can see it's busy, right? Okay, let me put this. I want to see the intermediate results. Current iteration. Current IND OSF is num to string IND OSF bracket and here, and then this one should be before this keep sampling, and here it should be here. It's still running. Right. Usually it's quite fast, but this is quite slow because of the recording program. Okay. Yeah. And in the meantime, let me see if there is anything to change or to make it look better. Nothing special. And nothing. Yeah. It takes so much time. Yeah, we got minus 27.55258, right? Okay. Then currently we have 12 months of the outer sample period, right? It doesn't have to be 12, right? It could be 20 or 15. This is totally up to you. Okay. And then I would like to define the outer sample size first. Here, out of sample size. Here, let's say out of sample size, say 15. Okay, so then if it's 15, then this 12 should be replaced by OS underbar size, right? And this one as well, right? Then let me run this again. Yes. So currently it's 1, right? Okay. This program will end when it's what, 15, like this. It's running, right? It's running. And let me stop it. Okay. Then let me do some more. Currently I'm this is storage for the auto sample density forecasting, right? And then I would like to save all the auto sample density forecasts. So then now this is not 1, this is OS underbar size. So each column, in each column I'm going to save the this one, the auto sample, I mean the auto sample posterior forecast. Okay, so then now this, where is it? Here, right? Okay, so then what else? Here, this part, Okay, this part now should be out of this for loop. All right. Okay. Oh, by the way, here, and I need YFM here as well. So right. So then let me define something here. Right. Okay. This is particular this is particular posterior predictive densities, right? So then this is YFM, right? IND interval OSF, and then it should be, and then the burn-in should be discarded, right? Burn-in is now discarded. Okay, so then this one YFM should be replaced by this one, and same for here. Yeah. This is posterior predictive samples. Right. Then right. Then when I save this, I try to save it in reverse order, like this. OS underbar size here minus n plus 1 here, right? Because when it's 1 minus 1 plus 1, now it should be 15, right? This is the last column, right? So then this is the last column. Okay. By the way, where is YFM? Here. When I say YFM, it should be. Oh no, this is it shouldn't be OS on the side. It should be like this. Yeah. Right. So in the last column, of YFM, the density, the outer sample predictive density of the most observation is saved here, right? Okay, and then the first column of the YFM will save we contained the most past outer sample density forecast, right? Okay. And then this could be a bit confusing, so that I'm going to rephrase in Korean, okay, in a minute. Okay, so then I think everything looks good. Also, I would like to save this realized YM. Oh, I don't have to save every realized Y. I can just take out realized Y. Okay, where is it? Here, where's Y, right? So then let me copy. Okay, here. So then this one. The last one is the end. Here. This one. Right, this is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Yeah, this right. Let me put this YM. This is the realized realized y's during the out of sample period. I'm saving this because I would like to compare these realized values and predictive distributions. Okay, let me run this just to make sure it's correct. It's still running. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So then, okay, here, and then I would like to plot. I would plot the plotting the realized values and the predictive distributions. Okay, so then, and then what I'm going to plot is the quantile of what? Quantile of YFM, and then the quantiles 0.05, 0.5, and 0.95. Okay. Let me put this. This is the forecasts, and then a figure and plot what? I'm going to plot what? Forecasts and realized values, realized underbar YM, right? Okay. Just to make sure the code is correct. Okay, let me run it. But this is just the test. Okay, let me try just 3. Okay, just 3. Okay, 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Now we should have a figure. Okay, where is it? Yeah. Why? Something wrong? Okay. Let's see what's wrong. Forecasts. Open forecasts. It should be 3 by 3. Oh, something wrong. These are zeros. Why? Here, let me see. There must be something wrong in YFM. Let's open YFM. Yes. The second and third are zeros. Why? Because here YFM here, YFM here, and why is so YFM is here, but this is the out of here. Oh no, I can see that this YFM, this story should be out of this for loop, right? Okay, now I can see that. Let me put this here. Yeah. Okay, this is storage. for saving 3 for the predictive distributions. Okay, then let me try again. Okay, 1, 2, right, 3, okay, we should have now figure. Yes. Okay, what's the fourth? Let's see. Okay, here, legend. The first one is the 5% quantile. The second one is median. Third one is the 95% quantile, and the last one is the realized values, right? So then, say this first one is, this is row bound, just row. The second one is median. The third one is upper bound. The last one is realized values. Realizations. Okay, and then here and evaluate selection. Okay, so this is realized value. Realized value is almost constant. Okay, let's see, it's really constant. Realized ym. Yeah, they are not that they are not quite constant. They are changing, but the variation is very minor. That's why. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do some more after break.